Morning everyone, this is our first full day in Las Vegas. The sun is out, the birds are chirping, well they're not chirping, but anyway, here's IHOP. Right, our first food stop is here. Oh, and by the way, that's our car, that grey Explorer, which I'm about to lock actually, you know, because crime. Yeah, first food space, IHOP. Literally all of you are filming. Yeah. Right.
That is amazing.
Oh, sirloin tips and eggs. You've got what?
I got the breakfast sampler.
You've got a massive
Some
phyllo.
like caramel,
That looks
cream,
pretty amazing actually.
strawberry.
And then that's, what is that there?
That's bananas and
Banana pancakes. And we've gone classic eggs Benedict.
Benedict and nice nummy nums.
and how spread out it all is.
Yeah.
I was just like, oh yeah.
Because when you watch the YouTube videos, you just think of the strip where everything.
We've just been to IHOP. What did you actually think? Tell me honestly what you thought of it.
I thought it was really good. Yeah, eggs Benedict, lovely, hash brown, beautiful, coffee, vanilla, French coffee, French vanilla coffee, beautiful, lovely.
What did I have? Oh yeah, my sirloin tips and they were wicked. Bish?
I had the breakfast sampler and it was amazing. I'll get it again.
Did you eat all of them pancakes by the way?
I ate one of the pancakes.
Oh, loser. May and Rue, what happened?
Strawberry pancakes, very sickly.
I got just the original and they were lovely and fluffy.
Lovely and fluffy. Oh yeah, what did I try? What was that? Pepsi something, wasn't it?
Maple syrup Pepsi.
Maple syrup Pepsi, and while the first three sips were like really nice, it was sickly as hell afterwards.
Could you not have just bought a Pepsi and then tipped in some of the complimentary maple syrup that was on there?
Never thought that. Thanks, Marcus.
Could have saved a few.
Could have saved a few bucks.
I think I've driven past the sign twice today without even realising. We've already gone past it, haven't we?
Oh yeah, we have missed it actually.
Driven past it and I didn't even look at it.
Oh, I love it. Hello, Aram.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah.
We were on the other side of that, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we're like that way. So we'll be on that block there.
Hi, Tropicana. Oh, they've already started knocking stuff about. It shut literally hours ago.
It's going to be a stadium.
Oh, I love you, Libby.
It's going to be another fun hotel.
I'd rather not to shop.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. A balcony.
Ladies.
I don't want to see it out.
Oh, this is a 30 mile an hour limit.
Oh, Marcus. Oh, this is a 30
fuck.
mile an hour limit.
And I'm in
And you got
red.
over a red light? Oh, for sake. Yeah, it's fine. It's all good. And this is the entrance to the Bellagio. Oh, look at Laura all excited. It is pretty amazing. There are a lot of people in here and it is amazing. Oh my god, the daffodils. Oh, and you can see up her dress.
Normally, yeah, put your hands in it, smell it.
What do you think of the smell?
Yeah, it's very minty. Well, it's not minty, it's something.
Soily. On we go, you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, he threw him in. What did he wish for though?
I don't know.
Are you allowed to?
Be generous.
Are you allowed to say what you wished for?
There were 7 concurrent wishes.
Okay.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Please make the second wish come true.
Okay, cool.
The second wish was please make
the third wish,
the third wish come true. The 7th wish, I can't let you know, otherwise.
Understood.
I'm gonna jinx it.
Otherwise, none of them will work. Good old Laura taking a selfie. I bet that sort of smells nice and chocolatey. World's largest chocolate fountain. Morning's here, the morning's here. Oh, what pictures? Pictures of everyone. What? Why aren't I involved?
Hey, that's it, welcome to Market.
Oh wait, hang on, I'm recording. Hey everybody, look over there. Thank you. Look over there. No thanks. Anyway, darling, I was going to try and get a picture of a video of us. All right, nerd. We're so cute. Take a picture. Nerds! Everyone say nerd! Awesome. Their nipples are definitely out. In fact, all 3 of them have got their bits out. What? It smells lovely, yeah, it does. Essentials, Marties. Trust Laura to already find a place to go shopping. See you later, nerd. And we're going into the Forum shop because this is most impressive. What's that in there? It is impressive, isn't it? Look at the dragons. Look at the many lion and the eagle. Guys, I want an eagle now.
Do you? There's one right there. I'm guessing
Is this someone's like
Birdies.
come out and spend
I like the skull. Fountain of the Gods. Oh look, Rimowa. Oh, when you've got money, you buy Rimowa. Darling. Darling? Hello, love.
I actually genuinely don't remember this bit.
Oh, if you remember, there's a cheesecake factory here somewhere.
Yeah,
Or
I
there
think
was.
there's another level downstairs, and I think that's the one that we normally go to.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool.
I think.
Oh yeah, with the water feature.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
that must be downstairs. Or further away.
All of a sudden.
You want to go down or up? Wait, what are you looking at? You found a shop, haven't you? You found a garbage
There's a
shop.
sign for $5.
Yeah.
$5 shop. Toads. We're about to go on a revolving escalator. A spiral escalator, I think that's maybe what they call it. Nerds. Wicked. Dude, she's got her boobs out. Put them away, love. There are even curved steps. I'm just amazed at this whole thing. Ah, the spiral escalator. And it's magical. Look over there. There's a Ted Baker. There's a ceiling too. Yeah. Mirage. Anyway, there's the Mirage. See you later, Mirage. Forever. 18. 16. 15. 10. In fact, I don't know why I'm recording this. You can all read. This is cool. Where is the bit? Right, there we go. Oh yeah, where is everything? Although the sphere is behind here.
This floor is so shiny, it looks wet. Yeah, the water looks so clear.
No, I mean, it looks like it's just hovering there.
It does.
What is that all about?
Because the ends are lifted up, aren't they?
Well, it could be that, but it could be the fact there's a shadow and the shadow looks as though it's hovering. Because the shadow's detached. It doesn't anymore, but it did
Yeah.
there. That one over there looks the same kind of.
Oh yeah, because the shadow.
Oh, there you are. Look.
I know, it's
That
floating.
is really trippy. What? That really hurts my head, you guys. Oh. So you just won $2.56.
Well,
Got to ask, how much did you put in?
I won $2.36.
How much did you put in there?
$1.
Oh mate, you're up.
Yeah. At the moment, I'm up in Vegas, and I could take it.
Are you gonna do it? Is that life changing?
I don't even know how to take it out.
Give me my money.
Oh, cash out.
Oh, there you go, bang.
And you get a
they give you a
tip.
little like receipt, and then you claim the receipt in. Nice. Cool. Or you can put that in another machine.
Yeah.
Well done, dude.
Yeah.
You
but
made money.
Although,
You're up.
I don't know, can you just whack that in
Yep.
another machine? Didn't want it. Oh yeah, there you go.
Well done. Hello, darling. I can see myself in your head. Hey, the Garnhams. All right, nude.
I'm hungover.
Hungover, you've only had like one drink. Oh, look at him go! We're going to climb on the bit. Climbing on the bit. Elvis, and I think either Lady Gaga or Marilyn Monroe. I think Marilyn Monroe, but I think that's who they were going for. Yeah, the mole is definitely her. Hey guys. Isn't that pretty? Why does that look like Kevin or Perry? There you are, our first full fun-packed day in Las Vegas. We've done so much today, it's absolutely ridiculous. I can't even remember what we did. I really liked Old Red. I thought that was amazing. I wish we could have stayed there longer. And it was a shame that the Miracle Mile wasn't as cool as it used to be. Anyway, thanks for watching.